Hi there, hello there. This is a Who Gives a Fit podcast, and I'm Sam, founder and coach for Who Gives a Fit. Our goal is to help women become stronger and more confident through fitness, nutrition, and a little tough love. First things first, if you're listening on your favorite podcast platform, please subscribe and leave a review if you love this content and want to learn more. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, click that thumbs up, and leave a comment with your favorite part of the episode. You can also find us on Instagram for daily tips and inspo at Who Gives a Fit. I'm so looking forward to hearing from you. Before we get into the fun, shout out to my clients killing the game. Love you long time. We've had a lot of wins recently, like putting on a bikini for the first time in years and feeling good in it. Finally losing a stubborn 10 pounds, placing in the top 3 of a 10K. If you want to join our crew of fun, sassy ladies who are losing fat, gaining major confidence while eating all the things they love, I have 4 one-to-one coaching spots open for this month. Click the link in the description or shoot me a DM and let's get you on the same path. Love to have you. All right, fam, let's get into it. Today's episode is about consistency. You've probably seen about 1,000 posts saying consistency is key, which is absolutely the truth. But a lot of times people take consistency and lead themselves to believe that it also means perfection. Perfection is impossible, and having that outlook on consistency makes anything you're trying to apply it to beyond overwhelming. Sure, there may be weeks where you do everything you set out to do, but it's highly unlikely that you'll be able to maintain that in every day for however long you're on your specific plan. It's obvious the closer you are to each daily, weekly, monthly goal, the more progress you'll see. But life just happens, and we shouldn't beat ourselves up for it. I think people should go into their health journey with clear expectations around this. Give yourself levels of consistency at the very beginning of the journey. For example, level 1 might mean I did not track nutrition or do workouts. Didn't do anything. Level 2 might look something like you tracked nutrition and did 1 workout of 3. Level 3, maybe you tracked nutrition and did 3 workouts. 4, hit all macro numbers and did 2 workouts. Level 5, hit all macro numbers and did all 3 workouts. Now, these are just random general examples. Have yours meet you where you're at and what you're trying to do. If you're a workout fiend, 5 workouts a week might be level 3 for you. If you're just starting, walking 1 time a week might be level 2. You know what I'm saying? Make it work for where you're at and where you're trying to go. You can have as many levels as you want. I think having a little bit fewer, I wouldn't go like over 10. I think that's a little bit much, but I'd say 5 is a good place to start. And if you go along and find that you maybe need 1 more level, go ahead and add it in. But these are a really good way to set a standard for yourself and what to expect as far as goals when you're going throughout the journey. You could even print out a calendar each month and mark what level you were each day. Then when you do your full roundup at the end of the month results and take your pictures and take your measurements, your expectation should be clear. If you were a level 1 the entire month, obviously you're not going to have made that much progress. And as you're checking off those days, not only will that likely motivate you more to get out of that lower level, it will help you understand what things are going to look like at the end of the month. If you're seeing level 1s over and over, you know at the end of the month to expect not much of a change. And that kind of sets you up for realistic expectations. If you're thinking that you're doing the bare minimum, but you're still going to see 5 pounds lost at the end of the month, that's just that's just living in a dreamland right there. That's what that is. So this really helps you get realistic and clear with your expectations from the start. Now, as I'm sure you figured out already by my explanations, there's a level of responsibility with consistency. You decide how fast you reach your goal. I've been telling my clients this a lot lately, and I'm not going to get on them about taking a day off of tracking. We all need that sometimes. It's if you choose not to track and eat 5 servings of grandma's potato salad, then you're choosing to slow down progress a little bit. And I think that's pretty clear after choosing to eat all those servings of potato salad. That's a choice. That's a choice that you made. And whoever's making that choice has to be okay with that. Not me. It's not my body. Yes, I'm your coach, and I'm here to help you and help you have the best experience possible and get the best results possible. But at the end of the day, it's your body, and you can decide how fast or slow you want this process to go. I tell my clients to really ask themselves if that particular moment is more important to them than having an extra half-inch lost at the end of the month, or losing a pound that week, or having those shorts fit a little better next month. They have to really think about what their big goals are, and if the moment that they are choosing over that goal is more important. Sometimes they will say yes, and they are choosing a different consistency level for that day, and that's absolutely fine. But they have to be okay with that. Sometimes they'll think the moment is more important, or let someone persuade them, say this person's a bad influence, then regret it. We call that a lesson. Remember, it's your body and life. You can't let someone who isn't in your shoes decide what your priorities are. I want to follow all of this up by adding that it's completely okay to have treats every single day. My clients track macros, so it's absolutely possible for them to fit in ice cream or whatever they want. What I just talked about is for when you're choosing not to stay within your allotted numbers or diet. That has to be a conscious choice. If you're currently on a diet that doesn't allow you any treats, let's talk, because that's not a good time and likely a huge reason you're struggling with consistency. Of course, this isn't just about nutrition. Being intentional and consistent with your movement makes a difference. How much you should be eating is dependent on how much you're moving. And again, it's okay to take a break from workouts, whether that's a vacation or you just can't muster up the strength to do a workout that day. Sometimes a week off training will bring you back even stronger. You have to listen to your body. There's a difference between not feeling like it and being completely drained. Rest and recovery are just as important for your journey as exercise and pushing yourself. Exercise is considered a stressor, though. Yes, it gives us energy and mostly makes us feel good, but your body doesn't know the difference between stress from work, stress from exercise, or stress from being chased by a lion. Dating back to caveman days, yes, our body